describing A cross B. Say here A cross B in the notation. So we can write it as A into B. It can be represented by A into B, but it is read as A cross B. So describing the elements of A cross B by means of three methods. Say arrow, tree, and as well as graphical representations. That is, we are going to describe A cross B elements by means of arrow diagram, tree diagram, and as well as the graphical representation of part 2 under the advanced level. So here we are going to illustrate A cross B elements by means of all the three methods. Then now in this regard, so first of all, let us assume A and B as two sets. So here representing or describing the elements of A cross B, that is the Cartesian product of A and as well as B sets, that is represented by means of A cross B, that is A into B, by means of three methods, that is number 1 as the arrow diagram, and the second one as tree diagram, and the third one as the graphical representation. Here we are going to perform one illustration to show the A cross B elements by all these three methods. So in case number 1, we are going to represent by means of arrow diagram. So in this arrow diagram, to represent by means of this method, that is arrow diagram, so we are going to assume two sets. So here let set A elements are of 1, 3, 5, and set B elements are of 2, 4. Then now the Cartesian product of sets, two sets, that is say A and as well as B. So that implies, so it can be represented by means of A cross B. So that equals to the set consisting A. So here the elements as 1, 3, 5, and set B elements cross B. So here B elements are of 2, 4. So here first of all let us find out the elements of A cross B. So that implies A cross B is equals to, so here the ordered pairs which we got are the elements of this A cross B, and the ordered pairs are of. So first of all let us find out with A 1, 2 and 1, 4 are the two ordered pairs with 1, and 3, 2 and 3, 4 will be the next two ordered pairs. 5, 2 and 5, 4 will be the last two ordered pairs of this particular set of A cross B. So here 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2 and 3, 4. Then now the next, that is the last two ordered pairs are of 5, 2 and 5, 4. So here we have to illustrate, show by all these ordered pairs by means of the first method, that is called the arrow method, that is the arrow diagram. So here by means of arrow diagram or in order to show by means of the Arrow diagram, so here first set and this is the second set. First set is denoted by means of A and the second set it is denoted by means of B. The elements of first set are of 1, 3, 5 and the second set consists the elements of 2, 4. And now the arrow diagram of A cross B elements, that is 1, 2. So here 1 to 2 and 1 to 4, 3, 2 and 3, 4. So 3 to 2 the arrow and 3 to 4. And the last two ordered pairs are of 5, 2 and 5, 4. So 5, 2 and 5, 4. So here A cross B. So here elements are of 1, 2 and 1, 4, 3, 2 and 3, 4, and the last two ordered pairs are of 5, 2 and 5, 4. So in this manner we got A cross B by means of tree diagram. So here this is the notation of A cross B and the diagram which we have shown is of arrow diagram. And the next one is of tree diagram. So the second case number 2, and the second one, the case number 2. So the second case is of tree diagram. So in this tree diagram, so yeah, the two sets which we have considered are of, first case the set A elements are of 1, 3, 5 and set B elements are of 2, 4. 1, 3, 5 and set B elements are of 2, 4. So here we have to show these by means of tree diagram. So here the elements of set A, so here this is of set A and here set B and here are the ordered pairs. So in set A the elements are of 1, 3 and 5. 1, 3 and as well as 5 and set B elements are of 2, 4. So here for 1, so we can write it as 2, 4 and for second element we can write as 2, 4 and for third element we can write again the elements as 2, 4. Then now the tree diagram will be of 1, 3, 5, 1 to 2, 1 to 4, 3 to 2 and 3 to 4, 5 to 2 and 5 to 4. Then now the ordered pairs are of 1, 2 and the second ordered pair will be of 1, 4 and here 3, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 2 and 5, 4 are the ordered pairs. So here on the whole we can get the A cross B elements as 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 2 and 5, 4. So these are the elements or the ordered pairs of A cross B by means of the method called the tree diagram. Then now similarly we have to show these ordered pairs by means of the graphical representation. Then now the third case is of case number 3 is of graphical representation. So in this graphical representation, the sets which we have supposed are of, one is of A, the elements are of 1, 3, 5 and set B elements are of 2, 4. Then now say here A cross B, that is the Cartesian product of A and as well as B, denoted by means of A into B or A cross B. So elements are of 1, 2, 1, 4. Then now with 3, so here 3, 2 and 3, 4. Last two ordered pairs are of 5, 2 and 5, 4. Then now we have to show these ordered pairs, or in other words these elements of A cross B by means of the graphical representation. Then now say here, so this is the vertical axis and whereas this is the horizontal axis. Say horizontal axis I am going to denote by means of x dash, which is nothing but the x axis, and the vertical axis say y dash, which is nothing but the y axis. But now say here on x axis we are going to take the elements of A, so 1, 3, 5. So here the readings are of, say here this is of 0, 0, the intersection of the point of intersection of both the axis x and as well as y axis, so it is of origin. So here readings are of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 on the x axis, similarly and so on. So here it is of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and as well as 7. Then now the graph will be of so this is the graph sheet. So in this graph sheet, so we have to plot the points of this particular ordered pair. Every point is represented by means of an ordered pair which consists x and as well as y coordinate. So your x coordinate is of 1 and the y coordinate is of 2 and similarly so on. So your x coordinate is of 5 and y coordinate is of 4 in the last ordered pair. So now let us plot all these points. So your first ordered pair is of 1, 2. On x axis we have to see 1 and on y axis we have to see the 2. So on x axis it is of 1 and on y axis it is of 2. So therefore 1, 2. So here the point lies here and the next ordered pair is of 1, 4. On x axis 1 and on y axis 4. So here 1, 4 and 3, 2. So here on x axis 3 and on y axis 2. So here 3, 2. So point lies here and 3, 4 is the next ordered pair. So 3, and 4 the point lies here and 5, 2 is the next ordered pair. So here 5 on x axis and 2 on y axis. So here 5 and 2 the point lies here and 5, 4 is the last ordered pair. On x axis 5 and on y axis 4. So here 5 and as well as 4. So here these are the 6 points of the 6 ordered pairs. Then now, so here this region shows the graphical representation of A cross B elements by means of the method called the graphical representation. So here, so in this manner we have shown the A cross B elements such as 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 5, 4 elements by means of all the 3 methods, say arrow diagram, tree diagram and as well as the graphical representation.